Hi children, welcome to our new class, The Rebellion of 1857. Today we will discuss the main centers of the 1857 revolt. The centers of the revolt. In those times, the communication network was not much improved as today, so it take a lot of time for the rebellion to spread in various parts. But in the regiments, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, it spread very fast. The common people also took part in the rebellion in towns and villages. The people who were suffered with the British policies also joined in the revolt. The main events of the rebellion of 1857. It was in 29th March 1857, Mangal Pande, a soldier, was hanged to death for attacking his superior. And this was happened in Barakpur, and this incident provided the spark for the revolt. The immediate cause of the revolt was the introduction of new Enfield rifle and the greased cartridge. In order to load the rifle, the sepoy need to remove the cartridge seal by mouth, then placed it into the rifle. The cartridge seal was made with the combination of fat of cow and pig. Cow is considered as holy animal for Hindus and pig is considered as something it should not touch to the Muslims. So these combinations frustrated Hindus and Muslims. They refused to use these rifles. British officials suspended 85 people and sentenced to them to 10 years of jail. This happened in 9th May 1857. These all made the other soldiers to take the issue seriously. On 10th May 1857, all the soldiers attacked the jail at Meerut and blasted the jail doors and entered inside, killed the officers and released all the prisoners. The rebellious sepoys from all over the country moved towards Delhi and they proclaimed their loyalty towards the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah wrote letters to all chiefs and rulers of India urging them to organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight against British. The other rulers and rajas felt that if the Mughal ruler could rule again, they too would be able to rule their own territories. The British never thought that the cartridge issue would create such a massive rebellion. Let us see what happened in Kanpur. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Bajirao II, led the revolt in Kanpur. He supported Bahadur Shah as the Emperor of India and declared himself to be his governor, and also declared himself as Peshwa. Nana Sahib was assisted by Thantia Tope and Azimullah. The British recaptured Kanpur in December. Nana Sahib was forced to flee to Terai region. Thantia Tope was arrested in April and hanged. Lucknow. Lucknow was the capital of Awadh, and in Lucknow, Wajid Ali Shah and his wife Begum Hazrat Mahal took actively part in the revolt. The British annexed Awadh in 1856 and the Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was exiled to Calcutta. Begum Hazrat Mahal took over the reign at Lucknow with the help of Nana Sahib. And with the help of the sepoys, peasants, zamindars, Begum organized an attack on the British. Women and children were forced to take shelter in the residency building. The sepoys were inspired by Begum and Maulavi Ahmadullah, but the sepoys could not resist against the British. The British took back Awadh in March 1858. Begum Hazrat Mahal escaped with her son to Nepal. In Delhi, the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah was a symbolic leader, but the real power was exercised by General Bakht Khan. Jhansi. In Jhansi, the revolt was led by Rani Lakshmi because the British refused to her right to adopt a successor. The British annexed Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi assumed the leadership of Sepoys, and after the loss of Kanpur, Thantia Tope joined with Rani Lakshmi. They captured Gwalior and Nana Sahib was proclaimed as Peshwa. But Gwalior was reoccupied by the British in 1858. Kanwar Singh, a zemindar from Ara, led the revolt in Bihar. At Faizabad, the revolt was inspired by Maulavi Ahmadullah. In Bareilly, Khan Bahadur Khan declared himself as the ruler. Even though the rebellion was a brave effort against the British took so many steps to suppress the revolt.